Hi, this is Latukada here. This is my presentation for my website. Here's my home page, and that's my website in here. It's doit1integrity.com, and that's my home page in here. So my home page that I list all the links in here. These links it's for general. It's not only directing for only one products, but it's for the whole page. Let's say for sports and fitness clothes. So there's general clothes for sports and fitness in this page. If you click on it, so it will directing you to this page, and so you can you can have any, you can choose any links that you want, so it will direct you to any kind of clothes and business clothes and everything. So if you choose to go on for men, like men clothes, you can click in here as well, so it will direct you for men clothes in here. So this home page, it's focusing on general links, and this one it's for different brands. So I have Adidas brands, Under Armour, Nike, Puma, Hanes, Kirden, and Power Socks. So in this page you can find anything in here in general. And this is a little bit about myself and about the business and the contact details, and you can contact me, fill up your name and your email in here and submit it to me. And here's my phone number, and that's my email, my business email. And this one for my media, social medias. If you want to find more about me or about the business, you can click in these medias in here, or you can click in on Facebook. Sorry, my internet is not that fast, but you can click and look up on my Facebook page. I just created this page I think just 2 weeks ago. Just I usually use my personal Facebook, but I was thinking it's better to use my business page, so I can list all the things in here about my business as well. So I don't need to use my personal Facebook to public. Also, I don't have drop list link or drop list page in here to make it easier in this one, but I don't think Weebly offer that drop list menu in here. So that's why I put 2 pages in here, and you can see I have more pages in here because I don't have a drop list link. I mean drop list. So we can go to shop for women. I also put the its products in here, not general links, but each products, like its clothes items in here, so to make it easier for the visitors if they want to find, like look for jacket, business jacket, they can look for business jacket and find it here, or if they look for dresses, they can find it in here too, just to make it easier for them, so they don't have to go through all those links in the home page. But if they want a picture, there's this page, it's offer a picture and a link to the to each item if they want it. So let's say in this one, you can click in the link and directing you to the Amazon, and you can choose with it whatever color and the sizes that you want, or you can click on the picture. So to make it easier, so I try to make it easier. If you click on the picture or click in here, you can click anywhere and directing you to the main page in Amazon. Also, I still have the contact in here. All my pages that I put my contact number in my folder. And shop for men, I'm still working on my website. Also, especially the clothes, and I need to put them in a different section. Like this one, like different, like put all the brands in different sections. So this one is focused on Tiki's brand, and also the one at the bottom, it's Adidas. It's focused on Adidas in here, and this one it's focused on Under Armour's brand. sorry sorry Oh. And also you can find my contact details at the bottom and the social media. So here's my page. I still need to work on it. And also this page, it's about me, and that's me in here, and it's just a little bit description about me, and that's the contact details in here. You can send me an email or submit your name and your email here for me, and here's my message for them. And also blog, but I have not much blog in here, but that's what I will work on it in this week. I think that's all for now, and I'm working on how to develop my page to become a successful page. Maybe that's all. Thank you.